Hey guys, Dalton with Jaspertronics, and today we're going to be taking a look at this 5J.J2605.001 housing. This is for a lot of BenQ projectors. These particular housings can be a little difficult to open up, so we're going to take a look at getting that opened up, getting a new bulb installed in these. These housings are incredibly similar to the 5J.J4D05.001 housings. Those housings aren't really available anymore. They are not the same, but they come apart in a very similar way. They have these weird little 3 prongs at the front here. They kind of clip into this metal front half of the housing. So we're going to take a look at this and get this installed. So let's get started. Alright, really the first thing to take a look at is going to be these screws that hold this connector in place. Whenever you take this back half off, the connectors are attached to this plastic back. So let's get that loosened up so we're not yanking the connector off on accident. Alright, now that we got that out of there, that's just going to kind of sit loosely right there, and here comes the fun part. So we've got these 3 prongs right here at the front. These things can be kind of a pain to deal with, but there's a trick to them, and for that you need a decent flathead screwdriver. What we're going to do is, you see where this like little angled bit is at? It's kind of hard to see there, but you can see where the angled part is. We're going to push down on that part with the flathead screwdriver, and while we're doing that, we're just going to kind of push away with the metal, and that should get it right off. So push away on the metal, just push down on that little angled part. Should get it. Some of them can be kind of a pain, but there we go. Alright, that pops right off now. You've got all of these little springs attached to it. You don't want to lose those springs. That's part of the housing, essentially. Kind of need those. Alright, so now we've got the actual metal part of the housing exposed here. What we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and take these fins off. They can get in the way sometimes. Other times you don't have to worry about them, but we're just going to go ahead and take these off. Alright, that's that. So there's only 3 screws that really hold that in place, and then it's got this little tab. Don't forget where that tab went. So the last step that we have here is we've got 3 clips that hold this bulb in place. Sometimes there will be 4, most of the time only 3, because you really only need 3 to keep the bulb in place. So next we're just going to take these clips out. Alrighty, and there you have it. We've got this bulb out. There's really not a whole lot to these. These are just your, run-of-the-mill Ushio bulbs. Looks like this one's a 275 watt Ushio bulb. So there you have it. They come right out. You can put your new bulb in, just follow the steps in reverse. Getting this back half of the housing back on is actually way easier than getting it off. So if you can pull that thing off, just plugging it back into place, it takes no effort at all. But there you have it. That's how you get these housings apart. Like I said, this is the 5J.J2605.001, and then there's of course the 5J.J4D05.001 that is also very similar, and this process should help you with those as well. Because those housings just aren't available any longer. So, thanks again, guys. If you liked the video, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, comment, let me know if you have any questions for sure, and we'll definitely see you in the next one. Thanks, guys. Later.